Hey everyone! Today I am here to give you my review on Sexy Smooth Wax, Purple Seduction Edition. Sexy Smooth Wax sent me 2 pounds, so I was able to use it on 2 clients. The first client, I can't really put it on TikTok for guidelines just in case, but the first client that I had was a full butt. I'll talk about him in a moment, but let's talk about this client. This client has been waxing with me for a couple months already, but this is her first time doing her leg wax. So here are the things that I noticed. Obviously the color is gorgeous and beautiful. Who does not love the color purple? What I also liked about this wax is that when you pick it up, it does not leave any strings behind, which is good because I've had wax before that leaves strings all over myself and the client, obviously, which is a little embarrassing on my part. But this wax does not leave strings. It just picks it up and ready to go. I also like very much that it dries really fast. I've had waxes before that take like at least a minute to dry, and that is so annoying. So I like how this wax dries really fast. I also did a comparison video here. I compared it to Derm Wax Elite Naked, and then this is the Sexy Smooth Wax, which is the purple one. What I did notice is that it works more on clients who have been waxing for a couple times already. Both of my clients that I waxed, I noticed that they wax new body parts that I have never waxed before. And yes, it did pick up hair, just I noticed when it's thinner hair, it's easier. That ties back to my first client. Like I said, his hair was super thick and curly, so it works better on people with thinner hair. But overall, the wax is cute. Thank y'all for watching.